I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, here to show you how to repair the flapper on a toilet. First thing when repairing or replacing a flapper, take your tank lid off, which you can see I've already done. Set it on a flat surface. You don't want that to slip, fall, and break. Next, go ahead and turn the water off and flush that toilet. Hold it down for an extra second, you'll get all the water out. Reach in, and those two ears, if it's a rubber style, will simply pop off of there. Disconnect the chain from your handle. Now, flappers come in different shapes, sizes, varieties. Bring this down, we'll match it up. Next, take your new one, slide it down into place. Reinstall those two rubber ears over the top of the hard plastic ears of the flush valve, and attach your chain. Now, you may have to make some adjustments on the chain. You don't want a lot of extra chain hanging around. You may have to take a few of those links out. You're now ready to turn the water back on. Wait for it to fill. Go ahead and give it a flush. And again, I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, and we've shown you how to repair the flapper in a toilet.